If you want to get more out of AI tools for software engineering, don't start by learning a new model. Start by learning how to talk to one you already have. Good prompting is half the game when it comes to AI-assisted software engineering. Today I'm going to talk you through the core prompting techniques that every software engineer should know. You won't use them all every day, but once you know the toolkit, you can mix and match them to get better, more reliable outputs. Okay, let's break them down. So, the first what we're going to look at are the basics. We'll start with zero shot. Sometimes you just need an answer, and zero shot is where you give the model no examples, just the task itself. It's quick, simple, and great for brainstorming and rough drafts. Next one from that is one shot. Here, if you want the model to sit closer to a format, you give it one example. Think of it like showing someone one high quality template before asking them to repeat the pattern. Next up, few shot. Here you give it 3 to 5 examples, which will usually tighten things up. It's great when accuracy matters most, or when you want a certain style or structure. After the basics, we have teaching the model how to think. First approach here is chain of thought. In this, you ask the model to show its reasoning step by step. It's useful for planning, breaking down problems, or debugging your logic. Next we have is zero shot chain of thought. Same idea, but with no example. You're just telling the model to think out loud before giving you the answer. Another approach is role prompting. Sometimes you want that model to act like a specific professional. For example, you are a senior back-end engineer reviewing Go code. This tightens up the context and improves the quality. Then we get to some advanced techniques like metaprogramming. This is a reusable playbook. You write a general prompt that solves a category of tasks. For example, a step-by-step workflow for writing docs or reviewing pull requests. Next technique is generated knowledge prompting. Here, you ask the model to gather or generate useful info before doing the real task. It's a two-step flow. Generate some facts, then use them. The next approach is prompt chaining. Break complex tasks down into smaller prompts that build on each other. Keeps things organized and reduces the hallucination. After that, we come to decision-making and problem-solving prompts. These are things like tree of thoughts, and here you ask the model to explore several options, reflect on them, and then choose the best one. It's like doing a mini design review with the LLM. And finally, react. This is short for reasoning plus action. Here, the model moves through cycles of thinking, doing something, then checking the results. This is helpful for tools that let the model act, search, or run code. You don't need to memorize every technique. Start with one or two and blend in the others as your tasks get more complex. Over time, this becomes second nature and your results will improve dramatically.